Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I know it's dark, but yeah guys, a couple hours later, I saved the last battery for make sure we got enough juice. I'm gonna try to power up the front light as well. So you guys can see as much as we do. Okay, so guys, last 19 minutes, 19 minutes, we got to get on some trail here. So, we just took a nice little breather. Guys, up to my ankles. My feet are completely frozen, guys. The Lost Bridge Trail. This is what this here is called. There we go, nice tunnel. So, next 3.5 miles, hopefully it's going to be like this. Nice and smooth. And that will be the last, that would be the 53rd mile today, guys. We'll be arriving at our Red Roof Inn. Dirksen Parkway in 2.3 miles. So guys, save some energy for the land, for the end. But I am hungry. I'm thirsty as hell. Excuse my French. But I haven't eaten anything except we had a nice hot cocoa at the gas station. Bought a souvenir St. Louis Cardinals cap and warmed up. Yeah. Nicely charged the front, and under freezing conditions, guys. I'm very proud of the front light. How since it's fallen into darkness, it's been keeping up. Because yeah, it's been out in the cold pretty much the whole day. So yeah guys, the Lost Trail in Springfield. Definitely come check it out if you're here. It's very cool. And I just went by this beautiful lake of an area right just south. It's a pretty huge body of water because it was showing up on the map So guys, definitely if you're here, go to the south of the city. There are these beautiful lake homes. Alright, so a little bit of that, a little bit of a creek crossing. Guys, 14 minutes, about 2.4 miles from destination. Oh guys, I didn't think I was gonna make it today. Oh God, with these freezing feet, that wind, which has now gone down to about only 5 miles an hour. But here in the city, we're protected by something because there were a few decent sized hills back there. So maybe we're protected by a valley. Well, I see an oncoming light. Or a bridge. Or a hill. And guys, 721 is the current destination. I think originally we planned for what, 4? Yeah, that's the way she goes in this weather where you gotta stop. Oh. You gotta stop, you gotta rest, gotta warm up, gotta put on more clothes. And yeah, the air is really thin, so it's really cold and thin. So guys, you know, breathing this air, you're getting a lot less oxygen in. Oh. Right. Crikey. Crikey. Oh. 1.1 miles. And we're making our way on to South Dirksen Parkway. Should be about a mile from there. Oh. Wow. Oh. Hey guys, if we see any weird eyes in the forest here, definitely gonna be a deer or a wolf or something. All right, a nice decline at the end.